Okay, so I have a number of people with their books out. Let's see, about right there should be good. All right, right there, because I don't want to get in Diego's way. Okay, would you all, you know chin it? You know what that is, chin it? That means you're going to show me, you're going to show me your notebook with your date on it and maybe your name under your chin. Okay, so show me the date and maybe your name under your chin. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost everybody. Okay, put it back down. All right, you might hear me say, what color is the marker? And you say? Blue. Or I might say, hey, what color is the marker? And you might say? Purple. That means I need your attention. Okay. All right, here we go. So I'm Mr. Gonzalez. It's good to see everybody. Today we're going to work on some math together. And I need your full attention to do this correctly and to do it clearly. So your book is going to go in the top right of your desk. That's called a parking lot. And then you're going to also put your pencil on top of that book. Would you park your materials in the corner of your desk? And would you show me hands free? Did I do this with you guys before? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Hands free. I'm waiting for 3 people. Get that date on the paper, put the notebook away, into the corner of your desk, pencil on top of that notebook, and hands free. Nope. Okay, here we go. Standards. Standards are the content and the skills you're supposed to learn for, what grade are you in? 3rd grade. So there's a bunch of standards that are listed that we're going to teach you so that you're prepared to move on into 4th grade. So there's a group of standards under the number 2, and under number 2 there's another group of standards, and I'm taking a piece of that. So we're going to solve simple problems involving multiplication today. And you've been doing that for the last couple of days. And I saw you do it up here, which is fantastic. All right? Now, what I'm going to try to do in 25 minutes is give you some practice. Today we will practice multiplying by 4 in different types of problems. That's what we're going to try to do. So would you read with me, please? Lesson objective. Let's try that again. 1, 2, wait. Read with me. 1, 2, 3. Lesson objective. Today we will practice multiplying by 4 in different types of problems. That is correct. Now, in order to do that, I have a job and you have a job. My job, to teach and guide you all, to listen to your questions, if you have any, and to help you be successful. I want you to multiply really well. That's why I'm here. And some of you smile at that, which is great. You have a job. And I'm glad you said yes, because everybody needs a job. So listen and participate. And you've done that already. I have your materials in the parking lot. Your pencils are on top of your materials. Fantastic. I need you to try the work, please. Some of you up here, Mr. Robinson was doing a fantastic job sharing how to solve this particular question, what fraction is equivalent to. And some of you, just like you're doing now when I read it, looked away. Because you're like, oh, I don't know if I can do that. That looks hard. So I read it and you looked away. He was trying to teach you down here and you looked away. That does not work. You have to look at the tough stuff. So you have to try, please. You're going to ask questions and you're going to try. Why did I do try again, by the way? Why did I list try twice? That's not a mistake. Why did I do it twice? Only 2 people had the thought. Think for a moment. Why did I put try 2 times? Why did I do try 2 times? What do you think?
Because if you try again and you don't try, and so you could try again and again and again.
That's right. Don't get it the first time after trying. Try it again. What's your thought?
You can just try more and learn better.
Yeah, it never hurts to try more, and you just learn more. And finally, thank you for your hand. I'm going to not call on you this time. Yeah, go ahead.
You have to keep trying.
Yeah, you just have to keep trying. Anybody ever have trouble tying their shoes? Yes, some hands went up behind me. Did you just give up? No, you try again. Buttoning my shirt? I finally figured it out after all these years how to button my shirt. It's hard. Let's try and try again. Okay, here's what I need you to do. On your paper, you're going to put multiplying by 4. That's your title. Multiplying by 4. Okay? Go figure it out. Go figure it out. Multiplying by 4. Multiplying by 4 goes on top. Right there. Go ahead and write multiplying by 4. And I'm walking around the room because I want to see multiplying spelled correctly because I spelled it correctly. Multiplying by 4. I'll do you a quick favor and I'll circle that so your eyes can find it much more easily. Here's the multiplying by 4. Okay. Park it when you're done. And your eyes are on me. You have to keep going. Write your title later. Finish your title later. Park your materials. Okay? Park your materials. Eyes on me. Finish the title later. I need to know my friend's name right there. What's his name? Oh, you got it. Never mind. All right. Show me hands free. All right. We're back at it. What color marker?
Purple.
All right. Here we go. You will calculate your answer by drawing, adding, using an array. That's how you're going to solve your questions today. And I have some samples for you. This is the important part right here. This is my lesson. This is my teaching. I need all of your attention. I'm going to solve 3 problems for you and show you how 3 different ways to do it because you're going to solve problems yourself. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to teach. You're going to copy. But you don't copy until after I teach. Here we go. One way to solve multiplication problems is to draw them out. Even if you know it in your head. I want you to draw today. Okay? Now, if we're multiplying by 4, you've already multiplied by 2. So what's 2 times 1?
2.
2. Because 2 times 1, or 2 times, any number times 1 is going to be itself. So 2 times 1 is 2. Do you know 2 times 2?
4.
All right, so you know how to do multiplication in your head. For some of them, here's how you draw it. In your assignment that I'm going to give you, this is problem number 2. So this is all you have to do is copy this to be successful on your homework. You just copy it. But we're not going to do that now. I've got to teach first. The problem is 4 times 2. Repeat after me. 4 times 2.
4 times 2.
There you go. Some of you didn't wait till I was done. Repeat after me. 4 times 2.
4 times 2.
4 times 2
4 times 2
is the same as
4
groups of 2. 4 groups of 2. Now, I want you to just watch for a moment. I have 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2. Okay? Because I'm multiplying 4 times 2. So how many groups of 2 will I draw? 4. How many groups of 2 will I draw? 4. Here's one factor. 4 groups of 2. 1, 2, count with me, 3, and 4. That's one way to solve 4 times 2. Okay? Multiplication is a quick way to add. It's one way to work with groups of numbers. Now, you can also add to do multiplication. Okay? Oh, first of all, let me ask you a question. Thumbs up. Have you ever drawn to solve multiplication before? Some of you draw? Okay. Not everybody, and that's okay, but just about everybody. Hands down. How many of you have done addition of lots of numbers to multiply? Oh, that's good. Some of you have. All right, hands down. Now, this is problem number 10 on your homework. So you can just actually copy this on your homework to be successful with some part of your homework. Just copy it. Okay. All right, adding, this is problem number 10. Problem number 10 is actually in the book the same as problem number 2. All right, same as problem number 2. Repeat after me. 4 times 2.
4 times 2.
4 times 2.
4 times 2
is the same as 4 groups of 2.
4 groups of 2.
4 groups of 2
4 groups of 2
is right here.
right here.
1,
2, 3,
4. There's 4 2s right there. And what do? I add them up. So what's 2 plus 2?
4.
What's 4 plus 2 more?
6.
And what's 6 plus 2 more?
8.
All right, there's my answer. I didn't write my answer up here, sorry. Here's my 8. Okay, there's my 8. And actually it goes under my problem that I wrote. There's my 8. Here's my 8. Now, as you know, in mathematics, there are number problems, like they're up there, 4 times 2, and there's word problems. Before we get to the word problem, okay, I need you to copy down number 2 just like it is. So on your notes, I want you to put drawing. On your notes, either next to it or below it, you're going to put number 2, 4 times 2. On your notes, I want you to copy 4 groups of 2. On your notes, I want to see 8 dots circling groups of 2. So you're going to do this section right there, every single one of you. Go! When you rewrite, you're helping your brain let it sink in. So I see everybody writing the word drawing first, because that's what this is a model of, drawing. And after drawing, I see people writing number 2. Fantastic. Okay, you're done with the headings. Now I need you to copy this part as well, Angel, and then this, look at me, and then this part, and then this part. Okay, nicely done. Thank you for letting me know where you're at. Okay, people have copied down the problem. Excellent. Some people are already on the words, 4 groups of 2. And to my audience, one thing when I sit in student chairs is if they have to turn their heads more than 90 degrees to see my work, I might move their desk sideways a little bit. Right, so he doesn't have to do that, or she doesn't have to do that. So just a thought. All right, drawing, you got that part? Now I need you to do the brown part with the answer. Okay? Yes. Okay, if you were done with drawing, you can also do the adding. So some of you are done early. You do the adding. And then I have a few more minutes before we start work time.